Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by confirming email and profile details so points track correctly. Next, enable Microsoft Rewards in Edge and make Bing your default search. This guarantees searches count automatically. Once done, tackle daily sets on the rewards dashboard, short quizzes, polls, and 3 to 5 searches per day. These are fast and stack. Do them first for immediate coin gains. Make sure to sync across devices so nothing is missed. Now expand beyond dailies. Use Edge on both mobile and desktop. Each counts separately when signed in. Shop through the Microsoft Store for bonus points on purchases and check the rewards page for time-limited offers to activate before buying. Also, link Xbox and other Microsoft services. Redeeming Game Pass activities and referrals increases weekly totals. Once you've set automations, monitor streaks to unlock multiplier perks. Keep consistent engagement. These middle steps compound rewards over weeks. Finish by converting accumulated coins into gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or donations. Redeem regularly to avoid point expiration and to benefit from rotating deals. After redemptions, verify the account activity log to confirm points were applied. Discrepancies often appear there. If points fail to post or devices aren't syncing, sign out, clear cache, and sign back in. If problems continue, contact Microsoft Rewards support with activity screenshots. This final step ensures you keep and use the coins you earn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.